Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading Max Celebrates Chinese New Year by Arya F. and Kaylin. Max celebrates Chinese New Year. Max and Lily are good friends. Lily invites Max to a party with her family. Tomorrow is the first day of the Chinese New Year. Lily is very excited. She tells Max that the Chinese New Year is like the New Year's Day he celebrates. Max celebrates on January 1st. The Chinese New Year takes place in January or February. It lasts 15 days. Lily's families celebrate each day with special ways. Lily and her parents get ready for the party. They clean the house. Max helped them. Lily and Max put a red cloth on the dining table. Red is for good luck. Lily puts flower on the table. Flowers are for happiness. Max put oranges on the table. Oranges are for good luck too. The next day, Lily and her parents and Max wear new clothes for Chinese New Year. They eat sweet rice. They eat cookies and sweet candy too. Lily and Max have a lot of fun watching the dragon parade. Max wants to celebrate the Chinese New Year every year. Max and Lily are good friends. And I hope you enjoyed this book. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.